Hello, Virgo. I hope y'all are doing good. This reading is for Sun, Moon, Rising sign. Please keep what resonate and leave the rest. This reading is for March 23rd and the week of 23rd. I have already meditated this card and you don't believe it. You don't see this coming, Virgo. God has stepped in your life. And all you need to do is let go. Let go of that confusion in your mind. Let go of that doubt that creeps in sometimes. Which path do I need to see? Which path do I need to choose? Okay. And need to be really careful about the words that you speak this week, Virgo. You are sitting on your throne and you are going to get your pentacles slowly, one step at a time. Remember, Virgo, everything takes time. Everything takes time. Okay? And you know that your sun is coming. You know that your pentacles, you have 10 of pentacles, Virgo. And you don't see this coming. Okay? You have this wind coming in. Your God is stepping in. Your angels, ancestors, God, universe, whoever you want to call, the higher source, is coming in, and they're asking you to release the fear. Release the fear of unknown. Okay? Whatever you have. What kind of fear you have. Everybody has a fear. You know. And this week, you say enough is enough, and I'm not going to worry about what's going to happen next. Because you have gone through a lot. Right? You've been through a lot. And you're probably looking at the pentacles, but you don't know what's coming. That could be your pentacles, your material success. That could be money. That could be house. That could be your car, your phone, whatever that is. Never discount that. And always be in this gratitude mode. And the gratitude is the window of abundance. Right? That's a starting phase. That's a roller coaster. That's going to, the snowball has to move. We can't sit in the hanging man's mode and you are tired of it. You saw the different perspective, okay, and you feel stuck. I thought I chose the right path. I wanted to go this way, but why I keep hitting the rock bottom? You're asking yourself, what do I want to go and achieve? What do I want to be? Sometimes we are doing the work. We're doing the job. We're trying to get things done. But you're actually asking yourself this time. Because you keep hitting the rock bottom. You think you keep hitting the rock bottom. But you are seeing the light Now, one step, slowly but surely. Okay, nights, they are very slow. But you are trying to get rid of that fear, whatever fear you have in your mind. You've been having that fearful mode for a long, long time now. But you didn't realize that you have come this way very far. You come the progress one day at a time progress. You do not realize that. You're working on your mind and you are cutting people, place, things that no longer in your alignment. You are letting go of things that no longer in your support, in your behalf. That could be people, that could be place or things. And your eyes on the prize. They see the larger picture. That's the suggestion, advice here. You are seeing the larger pictures, and the circumstances can be just slow right now, moving very, very slow, some delays, and you are not seeing why is this happening. And you're trying to get rid of the fear, the unknown. You're trying to embrace the unknown and trying to get rid of the fear that you always get stuck in, because fear is only the blockage of your mind. And just have to be careful. This is just a little suggestion, is that the words that you speak, the behavior that you behave to people, how you cooperate with the people, how you communicate, okay, the unnecessary drama or unnecessary arguments, unnecessary bitterness, even in your heart, the hint of it, that need to be gone. You always have to see, at this point of time, you have to see the larger picture. Your focus need to be really sharp, laser focus on your pentacles. It's coming. Okay? So act like you already have it. Okay, that's what that suggestion is. And you probably are doing that. Practicing. Not fake it until you make it, by the way. This is already, you have that belief that you already are the Empress, the wise collective. You have all the tools that you need right now. And the love is coming. Okay, Queen of Cups, you are fully satisfied what you have right now. Material world, you probably are confused. You probably are like, what's going on? Why I'm not receiving the reward yet? Because, 3D world is always slower. And once you change your perspective on something that you actually have to alchemize, your sun, your brighter days, Your happiness is coming. Okay. And this is suggesting, you are suggested to think that you already have whatever you are experiencing right now, or your desire of pentacles. Okay, your desire of material world, or your desire of love, you know that you already have within you. It doesn't come from material world. Okay, it doesn't come from material world. The happiness, the satisfaction, the contentment and fulfillment you probably want to experience, and it's coming. But you have to have that in your mind already, which you are trying to do one day at a time, one step at a time, one person at a time, even though it was delay after delay. And you don't see what is changing in your mind. Your mindset has already been changing. And it's just a matter of time that you are receiving this, the pentacles, the money, the abundance, the material assets, or material love that you are trying to manifest, which you already have. So you were feeling stuck, but not anymore. You are moving and pushing and forward. You are very motivated. You are very inspired. You're very focused on your pentacles, on your desire. That can be love, that can be money. Okay. This is really being in the top of the cliff and trying to jump from the cliff, that you are very focused and you don't know what's behind the cliffs, but God is coming to save you, show you the direction, and you have that peace in your mind that you are trying to protect. If that a person, you're cutting it, let them go. But try not to use so much of words, which you are not. You're trying to be quiet and let them go. If they're family members, okay, this is a big decision, big life-changing moments happening right now. Okay. And you're trying to keep your peace and focus on what's coming. Trying to protect the peace. Practice your abundance mentality, the mindset. And you are not being fear of the unknown anymore. And when you are letting go of what you desire, whatever the fear, the unknown, the God step in. When you let go, I'm going to repeat that one more time. When you let go of fear of unknown, God will step in and show you the direction. You're being very social, or guided to be social, not being in the isolation anymore. When you go home and isolate yourself and talk to yourself in your head, you feel very satisfied though. Even though you probably don't have your love of your life or money in your bank yet, but it's coming. Okay, because you have the peace already. You don't have to have the material success in order to have your peace. Right? And you're practicing that every day. But this week will push you forward to stop being in the hangman mode. And you are moving forward. Okay, let's see what we have in the bottom of the deck. Wow. The King of the Pentacles. Hierophant. Ace of Cups. Yes. So, I'm so happy about this, Virgo. Finally. And you are the leader that you know you are. And King of the Pentacles. Okay. You have King and Queen of the Pentacles. Queen of the Cups. Okay. I thought I saw the Queen of the Pentacles. The Knight of the Pentacles. Okay. The King of the Pentacles and Knight of the Pentacles. Okay, you're moving towards the King of the Pentacles. Okay, that can be male or female. You are guided. You are being in that strong leader to grab your pentacles, grab your abundance, you are being in that leadership mode. Okay. Or maybe some Taurus in your chart. You're being in that leadership mode that you think that you have to do everything yourself. You're seeing the bigger picture and you're grabbing that opportunity one step at a time. And you have Ace of Cups. You don't see this coming. It's a threshold that you're saying enough is enough. I'm not hanging in here anymore. I'm moving forward, pushing everything that I need to push forward. I'm not sitting in this stuck mode anymore. I'll be social. I'll be talking to the people. I'll do what I can. And it's more hardworking momentum. That your momentum, you're building the momentum. And you are rolling your dice. You're rolling your momentum to keep moving forward. There might be the people in your life that say that I want to be with you. And someone probably cut them off. But somebody coming back. Sorry. down. I find it. And probably the symbol that you're building the momentum. You're not going slow anymore. You're building your momentum with some exercise, with some accountability that you are talking to people, you are pushing yourself a little bit further, one day at a time. You're seeing the sun, you're seeing some happiness around you. And somebody coming in your life saying, I want to be with you. When they saw your momentum, when they saw your light, they want to be in your life. And you know that nobody can match the light and aura you have, Virgo. And people want to be with you. So somebody is coming fast. And I'm seeing you are building the momentum. You are building the moment of leadership and talking to people, showing the real you, not hiding anymore. And getting all the Ace of Cups, the reward that you deserve. But you are pushing forward, you're moving forward with kindness, with politeness, with the higher words, the powerful words that you are using to communicate with the people that you are dealing with around you. Networking, and that's the guidance too. Okay. And have patience with yourself and know that you are going in the right direction. Okay. Know you are going in the right direction. The love and abundance are here for you, Virgo. Keep pushing forward. Keep moving forward. And nobody, no one can make you stuck. And not even you. Okay, you are keeping that momentum going to achieve what you want. This week is amazing week for you, Virgo. So keep it up and protect your peace. Enjoy. That's what I have for you, Virgo. Enjoy your week. I will see you soon.